Now the recovery is completed. Let's remove the hose and then connect to the quick adapter. If you don't want to do the next process, you can fix the adapter onto the machine. But if you want to do next step, you can connect the adapter to the car. First, next close the quick adapter. And then the red one connect to the high side of the AC system. And the blue hose to the nose side end of the AC system. Now you can choose the process you want to do. For example, first we need to do vacuum first. The LCD will indicate what to do on every step. Vacuum time we can set 5 minutes or 8 minutes as you want. Before vacuum, let's open the quick adapter so the piping can get through, and so we can do vacuum. Before we do recovery, we need to do vacuum first. When the vacuum finished, you can go to the process of recovery or recharging. Every step has been indicated in the LCD.